students, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS 2026 set 2 GA question number 6. Water, P, food, Q. Choose the P and Q combination from the option below to form a meaningful analogy. And 4 options are given. We drink water when we feel thirsty and we eat food when we feel hunger. So option A, P, thirst, Q, hunger. This is correct. Now option B, P, drink. We drink water, and Q, hunger. We eat food. If P is drink, Q should be eat, or if Q is hunger, then P should be thirst. This is false, as P, Q are not matching. Then option C, P, thirst, Q, satiated. This is false. If P is thirst, Q should be hunger. Then option D, P, wet, Q, critic. This is false. Hence answer will be option A. We drink water when we feel thirsty and we eat food when we feel hunger. I already solved lots of general aptitude previous questions. Just go through general aptitude PYQ playlist, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.